What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, Kdotcouture. And in today's video, I will be showing you how I lay this 5x5 closure unit with the frontal effect with a nice little side part. This hair is absolutely bomb, so make sure you guys stay tuned so I can give you all the details and the tea on this hair. Alright, you guys, so this hair is from Luvmehair, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you guys. So that is the box that it comes in, and then it also has a little goodie bag. Inside the goodie bag, we have the edge brush, the satin scarf, and a pair of earrings, as well as some wig caps. This is what the wig looks like. It comes in a nice little purple bag. Once you take it out, this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, there are combs. There are 5 combs in this wig, as well as an adjustable band. So this wig can be worn completely glueless. All right, so let's just get right into the install. So first things first, I'm just putting on my wig cap, and then I'm going to use Got2b spray. I'm going to do 2 layers of Got2b spray. Of course, you want to wait until that first layer dries and then do the second layer. Even since this is a 5x5 closure, I'm literally only doing the area that is going to be covered by the closure. I'm not doing the whole perimeter of my head. So now I am just applying my makeup across the across that 5x5 section of my head, and then I'm going to take my scissors and my razor comb, and I'm going to go ahead and cut literally just that 5x5 section. When you're doing a 5x5 or even a 4x4, 6x6, whatever, you never have to do ear to ear. You can literally just do the part that's going to have the closure. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my wig on. Guys, look how HD this closure is. Like, look at what it looks like before I even glue it down or do anything to it. It literally is so HD. Like, the knots are small. Like, it was plucked to perfection. Like, I absolutely would definitely recommend this wig for anybody who's a beginner, because there's not really much you have to do to it. So like I said, as you guys can see right there, this wig can be worn glueless. However, I'm going on a field trip with preschoolers today, so I'm going to glue my closure down. I'm just using 2 very small layers of Ghost Bond. I'm just going to smear that all across, and then once that first layer dries, I'm going to do it again. Now that everything's basically dry, I'm going to just pull that right down into the glue, and then I'm going to take my comb and just smooth that out. After I'm done that, I'm going to apply my elastic band and put some heat on top of that so that this closure can melt. As you guys can see, it is so slick and melted already. It's giving scalp, it's giving skin. I absolutely love it. I cut that lace off, so now I'm just cutting back those side pieces. This is a very important step. You want to make sure that you're cutting anything on the side, because it will be you'll see a tremendous difference. See, like, this looks so much better than it did in the beginning because I cut those side pieces back. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do my baby hairs. I'm just parting that on both sides, and then I'm going to cut it with my eyebrow razor, and I'm going to bump it under and just swoop those baby hairs into place. Alright, so those baby hairs are pretty much in place. Guys, I cannot get over the HD. Like, I cannot get over how good this closure looks. Like, I'm literally gagging. Like, I can't get over it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and start styling. I'm going to do a side part with some bomb curls. So I'm just parting the hair right here. I'm going to use my Erica J wax stick as well as my my hot comb. And I'm just going to start getting that hair into place. And then I'm going to curl it with my Conair U curlers. I'm also going to take my eyebrow razor and just cut 2 very long layers in the front, just so that those curls on the side lay really nicely. Look how good this first side looks when I finger it out. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, I was so excited. So now I'm just doing the other side. Same thing, just curling away from my face. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys love it. Definitely check out Luvmehair. As you guys can see, this HD lace is like literally impeccable. Like, I absolutely love it. I feel like the video didn't even do it justice. Even when I was in person, I was getting so many compliments on my hair. So many compliments. Just across the board, I would give it a 10, honestly, because it was true to density. It was true to length. It was definitely a HD closure. The knots were small. I had no shedding with this wig. I'm trying to think of anything else that I need to cover. I think that's it. So make sure you guys tune in for my next video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Make sure you guys check out Luvmehair. Like I said, I will leave all the information for this wig in the description box. And until next time, you guys, stay positive and be blessed.